Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hello stock market learners, welcome to another video by your mentor Vivek Bajaj. I'm in market for 20 years and I know a couple of things which really works in markets, and I'm here to share with you my learnings of experiences from market. Great, it's a great exercise and I'm loving it, and because I share only learnings, that's the reason also I feel very elevated, and I'm sure you are also enjoying this learning journey. Some of you who have permanently joined my channel through subscription, thank you so much. It's a free subscription. I just have to subscribe. And some of you who have not joined yet, I can see in the analytics that some of you have not joined. You can join. It's no cost. It's free, pro bono, all, everything, no obligation at all. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important topic, which is how to identify stocks for trading or investing. And one of the method of doing that is to scan. There are various websites who give you that ability to scan stock ideas. Scanning can be done for intraday trading, could be done for swing trading, it could be done for long-term investing as well. I believe that if you do end of the day scan, because I believe that end of the day prices are the most efficient prices. Intraday the prices can move here and there, but end of the day is actually very, very efficient. And if you have to run any scanning, you should do it end of the day. In StockEdge in 2016, we created, I think we were the first one to have done that, created a library of scans which would help you to pick the scan which is relevant for the market. Earlier, there used to be platforms which were giving you kind of an engine where you could create your own scan. But when we started StockEdge, our idea was to create a library for you where life should be very, very easy for you. And I'm going to show you everything and help you learn this very, very methodologically. Okay. First, we did that. Then we launched another layer of which is called combination scan, where you can actually combine multiple scans and create combinations which could be useful for you to find relevant stocks. And again, those stocks could be for short swing or for long swing, depending on what combination you are creating. And in last couple of years, we have developed something called custom scan, where you can create your own queries by incorporating parameters, plus you can add combination scan to see magical list of stocks which will be relevant for you. Few weeks ago, I launched this competition called Scanathon, where basically the idea was to ask people to create their own custom scan and share with us so that I can also evaluate them, I can also give you feedback, plus other people who are interested in creating scans can also learn from individuals. So in this video, I'm going to take you through a couple of scans which I have received from my participants, and I'm going to find someone who is very good, and to that person who is good and who has created a remarkable scan, and I love that scan which the person has created, I'm going to send this book to that person, because this book has a lot of things which will be beneficial for everyone who is reading this book. Okay, so screen sharing is right in front, and I'm going to go through each and every scan which some of the participants have shared with me. Okay, so let's go. First, let's talk about scan shared by Jitendra Gupta. His objective is looking for scans that reveal hidden fundamental value, but with the help of AI. Now, what I will do is, since he has shared this link, I will click here and it will open that scan which he has created. So this is the scan which he has created. So let's go through this. Improve return on equity, improve return on capital employed, consistent increase of EPS, high PAT margin, high sales growth, consistent cash flow, high interest coverage ratio, consistent cash from operation, consistent positive free cash flow, low PEG ratio. I think what he's trying to do is find that perfect stock which is fundamentally very good and it is available at a lower valuation, which is essentially the low PEG ratio. Just a small suggestion, Jitendra ji. You have used our predefined scan parameters and created a combination scan. You have actually not used our custom scan feature, which actually could create a lot of value for you. For example, PEG ratio. Now we have defined a range for the peg ratio. In custom scan, the benefit will be you can actually create your own range of peg ratio because we have our own way of looking at things. Maybe you can start look at things in a different manner. In fact, all these things which we have created ready made, you can actually custom each, like high pat margin, you can define pat margin, high sales growth ratio, you can define the sales growth ratio and come out with your own indication. Having said that, this is also very, very good. Look at these stocks which are here. BLS International, Godfrey Philip, Hero Motor, Lupin. These are perfect matches. And then there are almost there because you have created a combination scan. That's why almost there is coming. Had you been created a custom scan, then almost there will not be there. It will be exactly the output which you can produce from the scan parameters you have used. But look at these stocks. BLS International. Now let's go inside this stock BLS International and see the chart. Well, I'm a momentum investor, so I will at this moment not invest in it. Maybe a value investor will invest because if a stock is trading below 200-day moving average, typically a value investor is excited. If a stock is trading above 200-day moving average, typically a momentum investor is excited, right? So this is the score, which is the fundamental score. I'm very happy to see that the stock has a fundamental score of 84 out of 100, which is very good. And the momentum is also now kind of emerging in this stock. So yes, your objective of identifying stock is well met. Now your trading framework or investing framework can be used. As far as I am concerned, yes, the stock has shown strength. I am definitely be interested in this stock, but only after this stock crosses 200-day moving average. You can have your own method. I have no problem with that. So practically, Jitendra ji, well done. Good job. The only thing is you have used combination scans only. I wish you would have used one or two parameters of custom scan. But let's go to the next person. Hello, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I have more than 20 years experience in stock market. And I can suggest you, if you are serious about stock market, download StockEdge app. It will really help you in your journey of wealth creation from stock market. Pradeep Kumarji, FNO trading fine. Okay, let's see what scan he has created. By the way, everyone who can create scan, they can actually share the scan. Oh, unfortunately, I'm not able to click his. Maybe some technical error somewhere. Let's see if, okay, let's try one more time. No, unfortunately, this has not been copied properly. So I'm sorry about that. Abhishek Kesarji, he has sent something. Sten Weinstein stage analysis combined with custom trading view template for momentum, volatility, risk and volume. Also uses sector rotation from StockEdge. That's very, very interesting. Let's see what is the output he has produced. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is very interesting. So EMA 200 greater than EMA 200 preceding day. That means the stock is actually going, the EMA is on the upward trajectory. Very nice. Close is greater than 50-day moving average. EMA 20 is greater than EMA 20 preceding day. That's also good. And close is greater than EMA 20. And close is greater than EMA 200, which is going to be the case when the close is above 220 most of the time. And RSI is greater than 40 and market cap is greater than 1000. Interesting. This is a very interesting query he has given. Momentum score, all three greater than 60. Nice. That is a custom query again. Strongly outperforming the benchmark index from 21 days perspective, which is a short-term outlook. Here he is looking at strength, real strength, and then he is looking at short-term strength. Increasing relative strength, strongly outperforming benchmark index over 55 period. Increasing relative strength over 55 period, strong outperforming 1 month and 3 month. Interesting. So you have actually used very strong relative strength framework to find stocks which are right now outperforming, and this first is actually a testimony of price action, that yes, price is also going up and relative strength is also going up. By the way, some of the things which you have used is actually part of momentum score already, right? So there will be some redundancy in the scan which you have created, but that's okay. Abhishek, you have done very good job. I'm impressed. And look at the stocks. Wow. These are the stocks which are really, really strong at this moment. You have APAR, Athar, TD Power, Diamond Power, Phenolix, uh, very, very good. Tilak Nagar Industries, very good. I think you have done very good job, Abhishek. I have to compliment you for the effort you have put in for this. Okay, great. Next, go to the next. Pankaj, Kumawat. By the way, Abhishek, you have not considered a single fundamental, which is okay because anyways you are focused more on price action than fundamental. Now, Pankaj Kumawat has said, fundamental plus technical skills can build to catch stocks where big players are raising interest. That's interesting. Let's go inside this. I hope this opens. The link is fine. Yes, we can see Pankaj ji. By the way, I can copy these scans. Okay, so create a copy. Now I have cloned this setup which Pankaj has created, and now this is available in my also. So he was very generous that he has shared his strategy, and sharing is very simple. I'll show you towards the end. Okay, let's go. RSI greater than 50, relative strength 55 period is greater than 0, fundamental score is greater than 65, momentum score is greater than 55, momentum score 3 month is greater than 60. That's very interesting work. Essentially, you are trying to capture the short term actions by fundamentally good companies. Close is greater than moving average 50, delivery percentage is greater than 45, and close is greater than VWAP preceding day. Why preceding day? You can actually look at close VWAP on that particular day. Why preceding day VWAP? Interesting. Ideally, it should be close is greater than VWAP because you are seeing delivery. So higher delivery, and if a close is above VWAP, indication that the delivery is typically taken by the buyer of the stock. Okay, close is greater than 1.1% of preceding month and close is less than 1.2% of close of preceding month. Okay, so you wanted that stock should be between 10 to 20% of previous month's close. Very interesting. Strong financial health, uh, which is ready-made scan, and market cap is greater than 2000 crores. Very creative work, Pankaj, I would say. I will not be very impressed with the combinations, but for me also, this is learning that you have done very, very creative work. Now, let's see the stocks. So, Samvardhana, KEI, Wellspin, Diamond, Arvind, Gravitas. Interesting because these are the stocks where momentum has also started going positive. Look at this. Can you see this green? All four green. Very, very interesting work. Pankaj, I'm impressed. Thank you. Now let me share with people. See here in my own, now these are the things, and Pankaj's name is also there that yes, I have copied this. Now if I want to share this with anyone, I will do plus here. This is private right now. I can make public and I can invite and I can copy the link and share with any of your friends and family who may have StockEdge premium version. You just need a premium version of StockEdge minimum to see all these scans created by me or other people in the platform. Now let's go to the other one, Manish Suryavanshi. Find fundamental strong stocks in a healthy uptrend suitable for medium to long term swing investing. Combines FIPA and positive results with EMA, 50 greater than 100 greater than 200, trend structure, and a bullish momentum zone. Interesting, very, very interesting. Let's see the output. Okay, looks like there is some problem. Let's go back again and see if we are able to see the output. Unfortunately, there is some problem and I'm not able to see the output here. So sad about it. Well, it was working fine in the previous, but somehow in this, it is not working fine. So I'm sorry, Pankaj, we are not able to evaluate your scan because I need to check what's the problem. Okay, sorry, Manish ji. Ashok. Ashok criteria is, okay, he has not used StockEdge, but he's just given his criteria. So Nifty mid cap 150, good. Market cap range he has given. Beta he has given. DII plus, DI plus is greater than DI minus. ADX 14 greater than 25 and rising. Close within 2% of EMA. close greater than 1.03, prior close with volume greater than 20-day moving average. Yes, you can create all these things using StockEdge because I believe we have most of the data which you are asking for. Ashok, you create and let me know. Share with me again and let's see whether this serves the purpose for which you have created this scan. Okay, Gopal, finding winner stocks. Let's see. Let's go inside. Okay. You don't have permission to view the custom scan. That means you have not made it public. It's still a private custom scan, Gopal. Sorry about that. Okay. Search for stock and strong fundamental, technical, and continue momentum. Unfortunately, I think he has also probably not shared it the right way. Oh, Ashok has shared the right way. Sorry, Ashok. Fundamental score greater than 70, which is good. Momentum score, good. RSI greater than 50, weekly RSI greater than 50, good. This is my scan. This is very nice. All SRI, market cap 1000, debt to equity ratios less, current crossing 52-week high, stock or performance benchmark. This is very good. This is my scan, Ashok. And I love these stocks because these are the stocks which are actually me coffee strong at this stage of market. Okay. Patel Yash Ashok Bhai. Let's see. Patel was Ashok Bhai. Let's see. Okay. ROE greater than 15, ROC greater than 15, debt to equity ratio 0.5, sales growth last 3 years 15, net profit growth very interesting. Promoter holding greater than 50, stock close greater than 50, close greater than 200, monthly RSI, weekly RSI, RSI less than 70 and RSI greater than 55, and close greater than 52-week high divided by 10. Interesting. 52-week high divided by 10. I don't know what will you do with 52-week high divided by 10. I think what you meant was 10% of 52-week high range. So ideally it should have been multiplied by 0.9, not divided by 0.10. So, but let's see. In fact, we can see all the data. So 52-week high is there. Yeah. Close is greater than, this is a problem. Yeah. Rest, ABB, Hitachi, NetWeb, Gabriel, Prudent Corporate Advisory, Precision, Goldium. Yeah, interesting names. And fundamentally good stocks showing some momentum as per your indicator. Yes, that's good. Well done. Well done, Yash. Okay. Nikhil. Okay, so let's go inside Nikhil's scan. Okay. So EMA greater than 10, EMA 10 greater than EMA 20, EMA 20 greater than EMA 50, EMA 50 greater than 200, momentum score 70, 70, 70, RSI 50, ADX 25, RS 0.1, fundamental score 70, RS sector 0.1. Why not 0? Why 0.1? This you can make it 0. And RS market 21 weeks. So close within all-time high zone. Okay. And strong fundamentals. That's interesting. Let's see. Nice. Good stocks. I think good stocks. Good picks. This is a good scan. I like this scan. Well done. Well done. I will just copy this. Nikhil, thank you so much. Well done. Zubair Ansari. Let's see. Okay. EMA, good. Market cap making higher highs for 2 days. That means you want short-term strength also. Momentum in bullish, which is above 70. RSI greater than 50. ATR increasing for 3 days. Very interesting. These are short-term strength. Look at this stock. Wow. Very good. I like this stock. This is very good. So let me just copy this also. Right. All right. Naman Jain has also sent us something. Let's see, Naman. Close greater than 5-year high and weekly RSI greater than 50. Nice. Market cap we have given range. Current week traded quantity is greater than average 5-week traded quantity. Interesting. Let's see. Bosch, TD Power System, Happy Forging. Interesting. Vijaya Diagnostic. Interesting. I like it. IndoShift Laboratories. Good. Well done. So Nirmal Jain also Naman Jain, I'm also going to create a copy of this. Thank you so much for contributing. Amazing. Shashank Shekhar, let's go. I can see most of you have learned the, oh, unfortunately, I can't. I can see most of you have learned the art of creating scanners for momentum, right? Because you're using momentum score, you are using RS, you have understood how I look at stocks. I mean, this is pretty much what I also follow. The FIPA plus is exactly this. So no credit to you, my dear friend. Jayakara, let's see. High increasing sales, low leverage, consistent cash from operation, consistent dividend paying, decreasing pledge. Very good. This is real fundamental. Let's see. Asian Paints, Atul, Oro Pharma. You need to add a bit of momentum also in this because pure fundamental may not lead to price action, right? Then you'll keep on buying the stock at a lower level. So Jayakara, you need to add a bit of fundamental, technical also. Surajit, okay, cash plus investment greater than total debt. PAT TTM is greater than 80. Sales TTM is greater than 500. Oh, that's an absolute number. 80 crore. It's an absolute number you are saying. Okay, ROE greater than 12. DI holding greater than 0.5. Very interesting. Very different approach. Very different approach. Yes, it's a value conscious approach. Yes, I want to take a copy of this one. Thank you so much. Kalyan Patil. High delivery, increasing RS, crossing 50-day moving average from below. You'll get very low stocks. RSI trending up, PSR in bullish. You'll get very low stocks, but what you will get, it will be very heavy. So Bank of Maharashtra, let's see the chart. Yeah, it's a strong stock, by the way. Huh? Good pick. But you will get less stock, but very effective stocks. Vinod, he has not created, he has submitted. So you can create in our StockEdge first. Abhishek. Okay. Oh, this is my FIPA. Almost my FIPA. Quality, growth, longevity, and price. Yes. Bombay, Burma. No momentum. You are missing momentum. That's a problem. And stock within 2-year low zone. That means you are looking for value. So these are the people who have contributed, and there are many, many more people who have contributed. First of all, I have to thank you, all of you who have taken the pain of contributing. Okay, very soon we will be creating a repository inside StockEdge so that you can actively contribute in StockEdge and become part of that contribution community. Thank you so much. As far as I'm concerned, yes, some people have done very good job in creativity. I have copied few people. Some people have not copied, but also they have done good job. I'm still scanning more people and see what kind of scans they have created. But I'm happy to see that you guys are in the right path of creating your scan engine. Just one small request. Whatever you create, be consistent with that. Try stocks from that scan for some time. Create your own scan parameters because finally that will lead you to find stocks where you are comfortable. You have created your own framework, and that will only help you to scale up your operation. Just because I will tell you a stock and you will trade, you can trade in small quantity, or tip providers, you can trade in small quantity. But finally, until you create your own framework, you will not be able to succeed. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and special thanks to all of you who have contributed. Keep supporting StockEdge. Keep supporting me. Take care of yourself. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.